Sorry if I popped your ears. Hi guys, I'm going to make one of the best RGB PCs out there. It's not this one, not this one, not this one here. Just pretend this never existed. So yeah, so just don't. Oh, this is cool. This is a new case. Okay, so this is RGB. No, none of them is RGB. I forgot. What should we actually go for? Oh, this one. Fuck yeah. Oh, where is it? It's the NZXT. Okay, it was the Elite. Oh, that's cool. Jesus Christ. It was an NZXT case. Where is it now? It's up here. No, it wasn't. I'll just go with the S340. Right, one of NZXT's cheapest cases. So that means I don't want it. So should I actually go with like a Corsair carbide? You know what? Sure, why not? Because, you know, I'm trying to make it look RGB LED, you know. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna try to make this video as quick as possible. Like, maybe like 10 minutes. Because the last one I made, I fucked up. The music was so loud you couldn't even hear my voice. And it was like 40-minute video. I'm not even joking. A 40-minute video. Oh wait, we need to see what processor we're gonna use. Let's not go with the Ryzen Threadripper. Oh, should we actually though? Should we actually go for a Ryzen Threadripper? 32 cores. Okay, it's a TR4 socket. So we're gonna have to try to find a TR4 socket. Okay, it won't show up. TR4 socket. You know it's a okay. This is a TR4. No, it isn't. That's a mini ITX. That's tiny. It's tiny. Oh, here it is. Oh yeah. Oh, yes. Okay, that is beautiful. This is probably gonna end up being like thousands of dollars, because you can already tell it's 32 core CPU. That is wow. That's pretty cool. Yo, okay, I could put like 64 gigs of RAM on here, but or no, 128. Yo, this is gonna be overkill. This is gonna be bottlenecking. No, this is gonna be bottlenecking, but not bottlenecking at the same time. Water cooling. Okay. Oh, should I do water cooling? That's gonna take too long. It's not gonna look good either. Oh, 16. Did I just see? I'm looking for RGB. Because, you know, we're trying to make this the... Okay, please don't... Whatever. That's... You should never talk... Okay, that's... Oh, wait, no. I'm trying... Jesus Christmas, dude. Okay, where's the RGB section? Here it is. 16 gigs. We're looking for 16 gigabytes of RAM. Oh, here it is, but it's blue. Never mind. Do they not have RGB 16 gigs? Because if they don't, that's not going to be too good. That's fine. Open up the memory clips, you know. Damn it. Bum. Okay, it's RGB. Hey, I thought I saw you. That's 4 gigs though. The one I went for last time was like 3200 megahertz. Oh, it's Viper too. That's cool. Wait, what am I looking for? Okay, that's what I'm looking for. This It's gonna take a while, so it's actually gonna take like 2 seconds. Waiting. I like waiting. Okay, there we go. There we go. How does that look? 64 gigs of RAM. Now let's just open up the thing. Okay, where's this 32 core CPU? That's very nice. Okay, heatsink, thermal paste. Yeah, we're good. Oh, you know what I actually have to do? To remove. Okay, what? Remove that. It's just gonna take like 10 minutes. 15 minutes is gonna be the total video length. Jesus Christ. Incompatible! Yeah, I know, chill. Fucking 150 millimeters, goddamn. Incompatible! Thanks for reminding me. Okay, that's incompatible because it's AM4. Doesn't have our, well, this is what I'm looking for, the X6200. That's the one I use on my PC. It's very nice. Except my PC is as loud as a thunderstorm on a rainy day. You know, okay, what are we missing? Missing parts? Duh, I'm not even done finishing this PC. Shut your mouth. PC status. Okay, stock coolers are bad. Never, ever talk to them. Never, I'm telling you now, never. I'm just trying to rush this, because, like, it's Halloween today. So where's the RGB? Oh, here it is. This is good touch. Good touch right here. This is like the good stuff. It's like, these are so much money. It's like 30 bucks each. No, like $40 each, thing. What am I? Okay. Let's remove all of them. Okay, I get it. Okay, I think I get it now. So we're gonna do Crossfire SLI on a 1080 Ti. Because, you know, we wouldn't make sense to have a GT 1030 on a Ryzen Threadripper. Yeah, it really wouldn't. Unless you're crazy, but... Okay, let's go with a modular PCU. Modular. Where's this? Modular. Okay, 600. Semi-modular. Nice. Modular. It's too much watts, you know? Our power bill is gonna be like thousands of dollars. Okay, what are we looking for now? We have case fans, we have CPU, we don't have storage. M.2, crap. Wait, whatever, I guess we're not using an M.2. That's fine. Let's go with 4 terabyte. There we go. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Nice, okay, what are we missing? We got CPU, got motherboard. You got that. Yeah, so now we just have to do the cables. For cables, Jesus, there's so much. What should I do? Plastic? Okay, no, I'm gonna do white. Let's start off with the base, the case fan. Okay, 9 minutes. We're 9 minutes into the video. Okay, hold up. Let's use that. Connect that to the motherboard, connect that to PSU, connect that to the motherboard. Oh, it takes up 2, yeah. See that? This is why you don't buy a 1080 Ti. Well, I mean, yeah, you should buy a 1080 Ti. Whatever you want. Dude, look at that. It's glitching out. That's cool. You know, game bugs. You just gotta love it. Okay, what's this? Oh, right. Oh, whoops. Forgot to put the front panel on. Okay, dude, this is actually looking kind of nice. Still not done with the cables. Oh, this is I forgot. Still, okay, that's cool. Damn, I could have made, like, okay, that's actually neat. Oh, whoops, actually. No, I still need to do stuff. CI cover right there. And I might do more of this game. There's a career version where you fix other people's computers for money, and like, who doesn't like money? Side panel, and oh wait, are we done? We still need the OS. Yeah. Thank you for reminding me, game. Jeez, so like, okay, there we go. Incomplete kit. What do you mean? What am I incomplete? Oh yeah, the side panel. Don't remind me. I know. I fucked up. Okay, well, I'm not gonna make revenue off of this video, so I'm just doing this just cause, you know. Okay, now we have to wait. Oh, okay, hold up. This is the moment. Which one should I plug it into? Whatever, this one. Okay, ready? Okay, we're not done yet, so like, don't panic. We're not done yet. We still have to set up the lighting. You might be like, wait, isn't there already lighting? Yeah, but like, you know, there's like not lighting. Oh wait, is that? Hold up. Is this? I swear. Every RAM is incompatible. It said, okay, whatever. I'm just gonna trust the game on that. Okay. Okay. Lighting. Oh, we should do that. 3D. Okay, well, we're gonna add that later. Okay. Nice. Let's restart. Why do you have to restart your PC to download something? Do I have like hundreds of games on my computer? I don't restart my game. I don't restart my thing hundreds of times. Oh, we should overclock the CPU. That would be nice. I'm gonna do that to the RGB computer. We're already 13 minutes in. What time is it? It's 4:30. It's 4:30, October 31st. Okay? So, oh, wait, actually, I'm gonna get into the BIOS, like, after. Lighting. Oh, yeah, that's a lot of RAM. Let's make it, like, a 3. That's good. Nice, how's that look? See, you guys look at that. That's cool. Now that's cool. That's nice. Okay, moment truth. What will it run? Yo, this is running this at this 1080 Ti SLI 32 core Ryzen Threadripper at 40 FPS. 40 FPS, dude. Gotta get into the BIOS. Okay, gotta do this quick because we only have. I'm trying to get into the BIOS. Nice, let's go. Okay, the RAM speed. We could like boost this up. CPU overclocking. Wait, can we even overclock it? Okay, well I don't think this thing overclocked. I don't think it. Oh man, it doesn't like. Well, hex to you. It doesn't like. You can't overclock it because of the motherboard. Okay, well, that was a nice 15-minute video. Exactly 15 minutes. I hope you guys enjoy the video. So yeah, just take a moment, pause it if you have to look at the RGB PC. This is a very nice PC. So yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Bye.